Your next car could be the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, tires all season, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.